Think Selenium is just test scripts? These 15 MCQs prove it's about smart automation strategy. Question 1. Which of the following Selenium components supports cross-browser testing in multiple programming languages? The correct answer is Selenium WebDriver. Where Selenium WebDriver supports browser automation using languages like Java, Python, and C#, making it the most flexible core component. Question 2. What is the main function of Selenium Grid? The correct answer is running tests on remote machines in parallel. As Selenium Grid allows parallel execution of tests across multiple machines and browsers, improving test efficiency. Question 3. Which locator strategy is the fastest and most reliable in Selenium? The correct answer is ID. As the ID locator is the most efficient as it directly maps to a unique HTML element, reducing search time. Question 4. Which method is used in Selenium WebDriver to switch to an alert pop-up? The correct answer is call driver.popup, then call accept on it. The correct method is call driver.switchTo, then .alert, both with empty parentheses to handle browser alerts like call accept with no arguments, call dismiss with no arguments, etc. Question 5. Which programming language is not supported by Selenium WebDriver? The correct answer is PHP. As Selenium WebDriver has official bindings for Java, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and C#, but not PHP. Question 6. What type of testing is Selenium primarily designed for? The correct answer is functional UI testing. Where Selenium is a browser automation tool ideal for automating functional UI test cases, not backend or load tests. Question 7. Which of the following is not a valid WebDriver wait type? The correct answer is conditional wait. Where conditional wait is not a built-in type. Selenium supports implicit, explicit, and fluent waits. Question 8. What is the difference between driver.quit and driver.close? The correct answer is close shuts the current browser window, quit ends the entire browser session and closes all windows. Driver.close, with parentheses closes the current window, driver.quit, with parentheses shuts down the entire browser session and all windows. Question 9. Which method is used to select a value from a dropdown in Selenium? The correct answer is select by visible text, with empty parentheses. Where this method is part of Selenium's select class to interact with open angle bracket, select, close angle bracket dropdowns. Question 10. Why is XPath often avoided when possible in Selenium? The correct answer is it's slow and fragile compared to CSS and ID. As XPath is slower and more brittle due to its dependency on DOM structure changes. Question 11. Which assertion type checks whether an element exists or not during execution? The correct answer is soft assertion. Where soft assertions allow test execution to continue even if an element isn't found, logging the failure for later. Question 12. Which command is used to maximize the browser window in Selenium WebDriver? The correct answer is driver.manage, open and close parentheses, .window, open and close parentheses, .maximize, open and close parentheses. This command is used for browser window control. Question 13. What is the correct way to handle multiple tabs or windows in Selenium? The correct answer is driver.switchTo, open and close parentheses, .window, open and close parentheses. As to handle multiple windows or tabs, Selenium uses driver.switchTo, open and close parentheses, .window, open parenthesis, window handle, close parenthesis. Question 14. Which testing framework is most commonly used with Selenium for Java? The correct answer is JUnit or TestNG. In Java-based Selenium projects, TestNG and JUnit are the most popular testing frameworks for assertions and test flow. Question 15. Which of the following is true about Selenium IDE? The correct answer is it is a record and playback tool for Firefox and Chrome. Selenium IDE is a lightweight browser plugin for quick test creation using record playback, suitable for beginners. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.